Hey guys, during the last couple videos I showed you how to create a triangle using square knots. Today I'm going to show you how to create a triangle using double half hitch knots. Let's get started. Using the two middle cords, tie a double half hitch knot. Working down and to the right, tie 4 more double half hitch knots. Repeat on the left side of your work. To create the bottom of the triangle, cut an additional piece of rope to use as your filler cord. Attach it to the left side of your work using a double half hitch knot. Continue tying double half hitch knots until you reach the right side of your triangle. You have the option to tuck in the ends or leave them as is. I'll show you how to create one more triangle. We will use the same method, except this time we will horizontally flip the triangle. We will start by creating a row of double half hitch knots along the filler cord. Starting on the outside of your work and moving in, tie a diagonal row of double half hitch knots on both sides of your work. Tie one more double half hitch knot to connect the two sides. Here's what it looks like with the filler cords hanging from the sides, or if you want to tuck them in, here's what that looks like. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.